This waltz is a celebration of elegance. Effortlessly charming with just the right amount of sparkle. It isn't flashy, it's smooth and noble, with every note fitting naturally into the flow. The opening bars should feel like a noble entrance packed in a gentle lift. Light, sparkling, weightless yet thoughtful. Don't rush, don't force. Let the rhythm breathe, like a dance that's just getting started. The main theme has almost a Viennese charm to it, where attributes of dialogue are of utmost importance. Each phrase should be carefully shaped but never overstated. This isn't a flashy display, it's about musical grace, bright views with the right amount of noble seriousness. Let the sections and segments roll forward with fluidity as if you're caressing the keys. The middle section is more lyrical, but don't lean into the emotion too much. Let it be warm, charming, but still within the framework of balance. Think of it as a brief pause before returning to the lighter dance. The final section should return to the lightness of the beginning, but don't slam the ending by making it a technical study. It should feel like a bow. Virtuoso, refined, but not forced. Keep the last notes floating. This waltz is a study in beauty through simplicity. Play it with noble restraint and style, and it will speak volumes without ever raising its voice. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos about music, piano, interpretation, emotion, and everything that makes music great and human. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon and have an awesome day.